Okay, guys, how is everybody? So, welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, are you a grade 8 or a grade 9? You want to do online tuitions? Make sure you contact us. Okay, you can WhatsApp us. You can send a WhatsApp in case you want to start your online tuitions so that we are able to help you and train you. So you can WhatsApp us on 09533 again and then 1204. Okay, you can WhatsApp us on that number. Okay, so if you haven't hit the subscribe button, there is a red button there written subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so that whenever we are live, you're able to receive a notification. Okay, now let's go straight into the topic for today. This is for grade 8 and 9. So the topic we're going to be looking at in science, it is called lenses. Okay, lenses. That's the topic that we're looking at. So the first thing we ask ourselves is, what is a lens? Okay, sometimes growing up as a kid, you have seen people using glasses. Okay, you find someone wearing glasses. You used to call them goggles. So what are those lenses? Sometimes you find as a kid you're using a binoculars. Maybe you're trying to binoculars, you find that you're using it to look at far objects. Sometimes you use a microscope. You see all these telescope when you're trying to look at planets. Okay, so all those, they use lenses. But what is a lens in specific? What is a lens? So a lens, guys, a lens, what is a lens? A lens is a transparent piece of glass or plastic. A lens is a transparent. A lens is a transparent. Okay, and you can see the spelling of this word. Let me write it down. A lens is a transparent. And then parent at the end. Transparent, it means something that you can see through, like a glass and so on. So it's a transparent piece of glass or plastic. Okay, a transparent piece of glass or plastic, which has at least one curved surface. Okay, so it's a transparent piece of glass. So it means a lens, you can actually see through it. It is transparent. Something that is transparent is something that you can see through, like glass of water, a glass where you put water. You see, it says you can see through and you can see water is in that glass. That's what I mean when I say transparent. So a lens is actually a transparent, the word here is transparent piece of glass or plastic, and then it has at least one curved surface. Okay, but how does it work? How do lenses work? How do lenses function or work? How do they function or work? By All lenses work by the law of refraction. So all lenses, they work by the process called refraction. No, refraction means a bending of light. Huh? Okay, so all lenses work by the process of refraction. So what does it mean? It means it bends light. This is L. So it bends light rays. It bends light rays. Okay, so it bends light rays. It bends light rays okay, so that they pass through and change direction. So when the right rays pass through a lens, they bend, and then once they bend, they change direction. Okay, they change direction. They actually change direction. Now, in your science syllabus, we describe two types of lenses, the ones that we have in the science syllabus. The first one is concave lens. The second one is convex lens. These are the two types of lenses that we have in the syllabus. But how does a concave lens or convex lens function, and how do they look like? Okay, so first I'll draw a concave lens as a diagram. So a concave lens as a diagram, how does it look? A concave lens as a diagram, it looks simple. It looks like this. This is the way a concave lens looks like. Okay, you can even hear the name concave. Okay, this part, so it looks like a cave. Okay, this part, concave, this part, the last part of the sentence, concave, this part. That's why this side it looks as if it's caving like this. Okay, concave, even this side, concave. So basically that's how it looks like. So this is the first one. Drawing the second one. The second type of lens is convex. Convex. Convex, it looks as if it's a muscle like this. Okay, convex. Convex, that's how it looks. Okay, where are these ones used? Okay, where is concave lenses used? Where do you use the concave lenses? Okay, one, where do you usually use concave lenses? So probably good understanding and a perfect understanding. Concave lenses are used in eyeglasses. Okay, eyeglasses. For example, if someone has gone to the hospital and then they can't see clearly, when they give them those glasses at the hospital, they go and buy at the eye specialist shops where you get glasses that you can't see. You buy them in a shop. So they give you those. Okay, they give you those. Okay, where else do we have those? We find them in telescope. So these eyeglasses, you get them at the optician. The optician is the one who, the doctor, the one that deals with the eyes. Okay, telescope. You know what a telescope is? Huh? A telescope is it's like a binoculars, but it's used to look at planets. Okay, when you are outside, you see outside in the night. When you go outside the house, you find that you can see stars at night. You can see the moon. So the instrument that is used to look at stars, moon, things in the universe is called a telescope. So the lens that it uses is called concave. This one, concave lens. Okay, sometimes you also use them in a binoculars. Okay, binoculars. And then apart from the binoculars, where else can you use them? You can also use them in flashlights, like for example a torch. When you are going outside, you are taking a walk. So flashlights. Okay, what I mean is a torch. Okay, a flashlight is a torch, the one that you use when you are trying to go to the market in the night, and then you can't see where you are going. Okay, that's where concave lenses are used. What about convex? Where are convex lenses used? One, where do you think they are used? Let's try to learn. Where do you think convex glasses are used? Okay, usually most convex glasses, they are used in cameras. For example, you're trying to go and have a picture or a Photoshop. I mean a photo. You've gone at the studio and to get pictures and so on. Or you're using your phone camera. You're trying to get pictures and selfies. So the lenses that are inside the camera are called convex lenses. Okay. And then the other one, they are also used in apart from cameras, you use them in magnifying glasses. Magnifying glasses. Also use them in microscopes. Okay, you use them in spectacles. Okay, spectacles. So spectacles. So they're used in spectacles, and apart from them being used in spectacles, the main difference between the spectacles here used and the eyeglasses. Remember, here I explained a little bit about the eyeglasses. You see, these eyeglasses, they are different from spectacles. Okay, eyeglasses, the ones that you use in concave, they're just normal glasses. Like for example, you're taking a walk, you just want to put on glasses. Those type of glasses you use concave. But spectacles, these ones you get them from the hospital. These ones, spectacles, that is for those ones who can't see. Maybe you can't easily see small words and so on. So the type of lens in there is called convex. Don't get them confused, okay? In concave, just use eyeglasses, but in convex, the glasses that you use, they are spectacles because they magnify. Convex lenses, they make small images bigger. So when someone can't see, when he puts on a spectacle, it magnifies. That's why they also use microscopes and magnifying lenses. Okay? Yeah. So basically, that's a bit on that. Now, if you want to explain a little bit about a concave lens, okay, a concave lens, how light comes. For example, a concave lens, when light is coming, okay, when light is coming, if this is a concave lens, it's like this, okay, and then a layer of light, I'll use red to symbolize the layer of light. So when a ray of light is coming, when it's coming like this, it's coming like this, okay, I'm just showing you how it works, the concave, the way it works. When the parallel light is coming like this is parallel light, parallel, this is parallel, this is parallel, parallel. So this is parallel, okay, parallel light, okay, you already know what parallel means. So parallel light, as it is coming like this, what happens to it? This is a ray of light, this is a ray of light, this is a ray of light, okay. So what happens to this parallel light? So the parallel light, when it enters, okay, it is, once it enters inside, it diverges. To diverge, it means to come out. So it diverges. When it enters, it diverges like this. You see? When it comes, it bends like this. This is how it bends. This type of bending is called diverging. Okay? Okay? Like that. It bends as if it's going this other direction, the other one is going the other side. Okay? So roughly, that's how it comes, like that. It diverges. Some is going upwards, some downwards, like that. Okay? So it diverges. This is what is called diverging. So when parallel light enters, it diverges. So this way of NAM is called diverging. To diverge, it means to go opposite. See? Diverging light rays. The right rays are diverged. Okay? They bend. But see, they bend outward. So what am I saying? I'm saying in a concave lens, okay, in a concave lens, parallel light, once it enters, parallel light, once it enters, it diverges. Parallel light rays Power right rays, once they enter, they cave outward or they diverge. That's what I was showing you there. So once the parallel light enters, they cave outward or diverge. See, once it enters, then it diverges. So that's a bit about this, so don't get confused. Okay, so that's a bit about how this thing looks like. Okay, I think that's a little bit about that. And then what about for convex lens? We're looking at the concave. Now what about convex? So convex lens, convex lens, it's the same thing. So for convex lens, it's also the same thing, guys. Convex lens also operates in the similar manner. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, this is the way they are. Convex lens looks like that. So even it, when parallel light enters, it doesn't diverge. This is parallel light. So as this light comes, parallel light, it's coming like this, it's entering into this. So when it enters here, it will bend like this. Okay, that one was diverging, this one is not diverging. So all of it is bending like this. They are all coming to one point. This is called the focal point. Okay, don't get confused. This is called the focal point. Focal point. Focal. F-O-C. Focal. In case you haven't seen the space, it's called focal point, where all the light rays come to meet. Here, it's called focal. F-O-C-A-L, focal point. So the rays of light are coming to meet there. Okay. Okay. They come there, but here they don't diverge. Okay. They converge, not diverge. So the parallel light here, when it comes, the parallel light rays, when they come here, they converge. To converge, it means to meet. Okay, those ones were diverging. To diverge, it means to split, but these ones are coming to converge here. Converging, it means all the right rays are coming to meet one another. Okay, that's what I was saying. So for a concave, for a convex, for a convex lens, okay, for a convex lens, what happens? The light rays, the parallel light rays, so the parallel light rays, as they enter, they converge or meet together. To converge, it means to meet together. Okay, or they meet together. Okay, they meet together. Okay, so they meet together at the focal point. Okay. Okay, roughly I think this is a little about lenses that you need to know, just to open your mind. So that is A4 concerning the convex lens. Okay, that's all. We'll end here.